Hello students, welcome to today's video on essay writing. In our last video on essay writing, we have discussed about different types of essay formats which are used in academic settings. Today, we will learn about argumentative essay. This is the type of essay we are going to practice in this semester. This video on argumentative essay will focus on how to form an argumentative statement, applying the rules of argumentation, how to differentiate between two different models of argumentative essay writing and when to use them, how to brainstorm ideas for two sides of an argumentative topic. Argumentative essay presents arguments about both sides of a single subject. It requires strong argumentation and uses evidence and facts to support the claim rather than just the author's views and ideas. Effective academic language and tone should be used in an argumentative essay. The skill of writing a successful argumentative essay depends a lot on selecting or narrowing down a good topic. Students often wonder how to choose a topic for an argumentative essay. Now let us look at 5 examples of argumentative statements. You can pause the video for a minute and look at these examples and decide which you think is the correct argumentative statement. You might have been able to figure out that all these argumentative statements are not arguable for different reasons. These are 5 common types of mistakes that are usually made while trying to come up with proper argumentative topic. Now let us look at revised version of these argumentative statements. Number 1. Students' politics should be banned in Bangladesh. Now should is used in the statement to indicate suggestion or advice. So there is no scope for argumentation here. The revised version of the topic could be students' politics must be banned in Bangladesh. In the revised statement, the choice to ban student politics is no longer optional, rather mandatory. Because when we use must, we talk about obligation or a necessity. It is used when people are required or forced to do something. Number 2. Is gender discrimination a myth or a reality? Now the problem with the topic is that it is a question and does not take a stand. The topic does not clearly state the writer's position or claim on gender discrimination being a myth or a reality. The revised version of the topic would be gender discrimination is a myth. Number 3. Public universities are better than private universities. A clear point of argument is missing here, as the arena of the topic is too broad. You need to be more specific, like why public universities are better or for what cause, etc. The revised version of the topic could be private universities provide the best facilities for the development of a student. Number 4. The government must develop the healthcare facilities in rural areas. This statement has very little scope of argument, as most people will agree that government must develop the healthcare facilities in rural areas. The revised version of the topic would be the government must allocate a higher budget for healthcare facilities in rural areas. Because then, some people might oppose saying that government must allocate higher budget for education sector or some other sectors and not healthcare facilities. Number 5. Transportation options have increased in Dhaka city. Now your argumentative essay topic needs to be debatable, so you could find both arguments and counter-arguments for it. Now this topic is a fact, so there is no scope for the writer to take a stand and find arguments and counterarguments. Now that we know how to form a proper argumentative topic, next we need to talk about the organization of an argumentative essay. There are patterns or models to how you can organize an argumentative paper, but there is not only one way to represent the paper. Depending on the topic and the argument you want to make, one model could be more effective than another model. The one thing you need to keep in mind for all kinds of models is that you must show both sides of the argument. Now let us look at two models for representing the information in an argumentative essay. In Model A, you have to start the essay with an introduction. In the first 3 body paragraphs, you have to write 3 reasons supporting your claim or position. In the last body paragraph, you have to start with a counterargument that a person or a group of people who disagree with your claim might have. Here, you also have to add your rebuttal to elaborate why a counterargument is not valid or is not important. Finally, you finish your essay with the concluding paragraph. In Model B, you start the essay with the introduction. The first 3 body paragraphs should start with counterarguments that a person or a group of people who disagree with your claim might have. In all 3 paragraphs, you have to refute the counterarguments. Here, you have to add why a counterargument is not valid or is not important. In the 4th body paragraph, you introduce an additional point that addresses all the counterarguments as a whole. This is the strongest supporting reason for your claim or position. And finally, you finish the essay with the concluding paragraph. In both models, you have to give readers both arguments and counterarguments for them to see the issue from another perspective. Argumentative essays are about covering 2 sides of the same topic. It encourages the audience to read your essay and participate in further discussion. Before you organize your essay, make sure that you have brainstormed ideas for both sides of the topic. Once you know what you want to say, it will be easy for you to choose the model for the essay. You can use different techniques such as flowchart, mind mapping, for and against list to brainstorm your ideas. Now take a look at this argumentative topic. Rickshaws must be banned in Dhaka city. And draw a table with 2 headings for and against. You may pause the video for a minute and think of some reasons for both the sides. From the table, we can see that the arguments on both sides are strong. Now, how do you think brainstorming can help you to plan or organize an argumentative essay? Brainstorming helps to consider both sides of the topic, choose the best possible claim or position for the essay, find the counterarguments you want to write about in the essay, find rebuttal for counterarguments, and choose the appropriate model or structure for argumentative essay. Now take a second topic, smoking must be banned, and draw another table like the previous one. You may pause the video again and think of some reasons for both sides. From the table, we can see that the arguments are stronger on one side. So referring back to model A and B, which model do you think would be appropriate for rickshaws must be banned in Dhaka city and smoking must be banned? For the topic like rickshaws must be banned in Dhaka city, where the arguments for and against are more or less balanced, model B is used to develop the argument. As model B needs both counter-arguments and refutations for the first 3 body paragraphs and a strong reason for the 4th body paragraph. Whereas for the topic like smoking must be banned, where reasons for one side of the argument are stronger than the other side, model A is used, as model A needs only 1 counter-argument and 3 reasons to develop the essay. So next time before you write an argumentative essay, select a proper argumentative topic. Brainstorm the topic to find best possible claim or position. Find the arguments and counter-arguments that you want to write. Decide the appropriate model or structure for the essay. Remember, planning your ideas before writing will definitely give you a good head start for your essay.